Welcome back to making paper airplanes, and today we're making the Katana. Launched at high speed, this streamlined model slices and spirals through the air. A piece of tape on top of the fuselage will change its flight behavior. If it tends to fly downward, stabilize its pitch by adding a paperclip to the nose. So, like always, we want it to be facing flat down. We want it to be in landscape mode. So, fold paper in half. It was like landscape mode was the same as the fly. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. Then we're going to fold in these corners here. Then we're going to fold down the corners again, just like the Classroom Classic. If you haven't watched that video too, go back and watch it. Then you're going to fold down the top point maybe a 1/4 inch. Then fold it in like this. The key to making this look cool is to go up maybe 3/4 to 1/2 inch and just start folding. You don't want to include the tip, because if you include the tip, it won't give you this look of just a bit of tip and then the wing starts. This is the Katana. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye!